Right now, renewable energy sentiment is peaking at plus 0.72, with momentum clocking in at plus 0.73. This is notably higher than our historical baseline, indicating a significant shift in public perception and enthusiasm towards renewable energy. You're seeing a spike that suggests a growing optimism, perhaps in response to recent legislation or technological advancements. Our API returns nuanced sentiment data, allowing you to tap into real-time emotional responses across 20 semantic clusters. Imagine building a dashboard that visualizes public sentiment trends and helps you identify opportunities for investment or strategic initiatives in renewable energy. Ready to leverage this actionable insight? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs and start building with our sentiment data today.